Fireworks. Whether it's a national holiday, a cultural event, a wedding, or the ringing in of a new year, fireworks help to elevate the mood and mark the occasion with joy and excitement. They create an atmosphere of shared happiness, bringing people together to enjoy the spectacle. Many cultures have long-standing traditions involving fireworks. In countries like China, fireworks are an essential part of festivals such as the Lunar New Year, where they are believed to drive away evil spirits and bring good luck. In the West, fireworks are often part of national celebrations, like the 4th of July in the US or Bonfire Night in the UK. You can also buy your own fireworks from websites, but do not forget to use such products carefully.